Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you've all had a very good 2020. Today I'm lighting a candle. I'm munching on some Christmas chocolates that I have left over. These are my favorite Ferreros. And I hope you guys join me today as I create a vision board. And the reason I decided to do this one today actually was I created a mood board a while ago while using the app GoodNotes, but someone asked me to do one on Procreate, so instead of a mood board today, I'm actually showing you how I can create a vision board on Procreate today instead. And for those of you who don't know what Procreate is, it's an app on the iPad. I believe it's like $10 or something to buy it, so it's very affordable. It's a one-time purchase, and I use it for all my drawings. So to start off, I like to go through Pinterest, as I'm doing right now, and go through and pick all the inspiration or pictures that inspire me for 2021. So generally, I like to pick ones that have to do with traveling, as I feel like we've all missed out on travel this year. Outfits that inspire me. I haven't really dressed up this year. I've been in sweatpants and at home mainly. It's been very much like a home lifestyle. I've usually pick out some nice healthy foods. I think I can always do better with my diet. My skin would thank me for it, and I know with exercise my body would thank me for it too. So once I collect all those kind of pictures, then I go through and crop them all. And I always put music on in the background when I'm doing this, so it's really quite enjoyable to just listen to music and relax and finish cropping all these photos and making sure that they're an appropriate size and ready to put into the app Procreate. So I'm just cropping them as regular as you would crop a regular photo on your iPad, and it doesn't take me too long. So once I'm done all of that, then I open up the app Procreate. Here it is, and I start inputting all the pictures. So I generally, when I make mood boards, vision boards, all that kind of thing, I like to put big pictures of scenery backgrounds kind of on there first. As you guys can see here, I've chosen a few places I'd like to visit, and I'm putting those in the corners first, and then I just kind of work my way inwards. So I started putting in ones like food, exercise, inspiration, what else? More travel locations. I always put those in the corner, and I just kind of work at this until I like how it looks, and I feel like I've added the appropriate amount of pictures on there. So once I'm done adding all the photos, then I go in with the pen tool on Procreate and I add some color little blocks where I can add some writing. So I kind of specify what those goals might be. One, for example, here is to read all the books on my list this year. I have a lot of classical books that I really would like to finish reading. I'm obsessed with Thomas Hardy at the moment, who I've always enjoyed since I was younger, but I haven't read many of his books. I was just always loved Tess the D'Urbervilles. So I have a lot of books this year I'd like to read. I talk about the different foods I like to eat, clearing up my skin, traveling to these different places, hanging out with more friends, spending more time with people, working on my Etsy store products, all those kind of things. Those are the things I would write on my mood board, just kind of to specify what these photos mean to me. This is an extra step that you don't have to do. I even added some little fun prints and stuff like that, but I just really wanted to take advantage of Procreate and use all the tools on it, even the drawing tools. Then I exported it and I brought it into the VSCO app, and the reason I do this is so you can add a filter, and it's just going to make all the photos look more uniform together, and I think it'll make it look nicer overall when you decide to use this vision board as a background for maybe your phone or your iPad, which I'll show you guys what I do after. So once I like the filter on it, then I take this photo and I'm going to add it as a background wallpaper for my iPad so that I can look at it every day whenever I turn my iPad on and remember my vision board for what it is and what it stands for, and so that it can continue to inspire me into the year of 2021. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope we all go and chase our goals in 2021 and that there's a lot of blessings for 2021 to bring for us all. I hope you guys have stayed safe this year and that your families and yourselves are all well. And thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel this year and for watching and supporting me. Really appreciate you all. And I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. So take care, guys, and bye-bye.